sabihin ang lyrics. Okay, ang pinakahuli at matitira, siya ang ultimate single lady. Okay, eto na. First song. Let's go! Paunahan na, paunahan. Let's go! Oh, yun! Mildred, what's your answer?
Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
Awitin mo at isasayaw ko is wrong. Yes, pangalan. Nicole. The correct answer is
Sumayaw sumunod.
sumayaw sumunod. Sing it, go! Ay, kaya pala nahulaan niya dahil sumayaw sumunod din. Okay. Congratulations, sumayaw sumunod is correct. Ay. Nasa Coachella sila ngayon. Banda kayo. Yes, ma'am. Pantropiko is wrong. Salamin is wrong. Kulang. Sing it, go. Go. Hey. Okay, next song, play it. Yes. Water, sing it.
Make me water.
Correct by my dance moves. Congratulations. Grabe mo pa, may pag-ganun pa, oh. Ganun yung special. Tama, tsuka ma'am, oo. 4-6, unong na lang. Huwag mo namurog. Muna ba? Ang pagpangurog niya muna kayang iba, na iba lang nga song is himayang na hunlak na yun. Next song, play it. Brand ng bag. Brand ng, yes. Chanel, sing it. Dili po hindi dapat makanta. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sayo na lang. Yan ba sa'yo mo na kagawan? O siyang kagawan niya nasa diskuhan? Okay, si Mati. Mats! Kung ikaw kayo mapilit, Mats! Kung na kayo mga pilit na Corales, mo siguro na-upsan, Andy. Next song, play it. Oh, yun! Oh, no coaching, boys. Yes! I wanna dance with somebody, sing it! Di ba kayo? That's wakas, Lord! Nabiling kayo! Kung ikaw giniron! Okay, 4 na lang! Next song, play it! Ihatag ka na sila na baka pumagod siya, ma. The correct answer is sing it. Oh, sayo na lang, dance it. Go! Go! Thank you so much. Oh, get well soon, ha? Get well soon. Nalisten. Lamilangin yun ba? Okay na ka, ma'am? Okay na? Uy, nasama na. Kasi may competitive sa game. Lagi nang puli ka sa... Next song, 3 nilang play it. Oh, kinanta natin yung kanina. Shut up and dance with me is wrong. Sobra! Sobra! No!
Up and dance.
Shut up and dance. Sing it.
Shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me.
Asa mga kamads? Balik! Pasensya na. Wala. Diyoy pilita Corales ka natin eh. No? Wala yung mga himayang nahulak sa title. Okay. Ses. Music, play it. Yeah. Let's get out is wrong. Di ba gawas? Wrong. Di ba gawas na minimudyan? Okay, the correct answer is
Let's get loud.
let's get loud is wrong. Kulang og ER. Let's get louder. Sorry. Dance it, come on. Isayaw na yan.